To make live caption able to detect a speech in a certain language on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add that language to the live caption setting menu. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live caption. Under settings section, tap languages. Tap add a language. Now select the required language. As the example, we will select French. As a note, if it's the first time for you using this language, you need to download it first before you can use it. Tap add language. By adding a language to the live caption setting menu, when you are using live caption and play a media spoken in that language, your phone will show caption for the speech. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.